Hello, my name is Kaylee, and today I'm going to be walking you through a product demo for a responsive web app called Aide. Aide is a digital wallet created for people with multiple digital money accounts. It can do things such as organize all of your financial information, your transactions, your rewards information, upcoming bills, all in one account, so you don't have to log into multiple accounts to see that. You can also set up budgeting goals to save up for something on your own or with another user. And you can also send money to other users similar to how you would in something like Venmo. So I'm going to log in to my prototype here. I've already gone through all the onboarding in this prototype and set up an account. So I have 4 accounts in this prototype. The first one here is a credit card. You can see some rewards information. What if I were to use this credit card to buy something, what kind of rewards would I get? Also my interest rate and my next payment. So I can see all of that information here along with my recent activity. I can see my total wallet balance as well as the amount that's available on this particular card. And I can just go through this carousel and see the same information for the next credit card as well. I also have accounts in here that aren't credit cards, such as my checking account, because I also want to keep an eye on my transactions for that. And I can also save a balance within Aide itself when I send or receive money from another user. So now I'm going to walk you through the transaction history. So if a user has multiple accounts in here, they can either see all of them or some of them, and they can filter if it's money in or money out or everything. They can search if they're looking for a particular thing, and all the filters that you would need to keep track of all of your transactions. And you can even go into the details of a transaction and change which category it is set into. And I'll touch on a little bit more on that now. So when somebody is tracking their budget, they can put those transactions into these categories. So if it was a purchase that may have been mislabeled in a category, or they don't want to track, they can edit that within their transactions and they can see an overview of their spending here. And this, of course, has settings. So the user can change if this is monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, however often they want it to update. Now, another main feature of Aide is setting up categories for budget goals. So here we're creating a new goal. Let's say we're saving up for a new TV. This is going to be a pretty nice one, $1,000. We can set a deadline for when we want to achieve our goal. We can set up automatic transfers from any of the accounts that are already linked to Aide. Let's say we want to set up $10 coming out of our checking account every week on Wednesday. And then you can also add a user to your goal. So let's say maybe you want to save up for the TV with your spouse or your roommate. So you can add that person and they'll be able to contribute money to this goal as well. But you don't lose control over the money that you've already added because they will have to request permission to remove the money from the account. So here we have our finished goal. We have 1% saved towards our new TV. We have our automatic transfer information, and that's everything. Here we have our new goal right here all set up. And so now I'm going to jump over to our mobile version because this is a responsive web app. So you'll also be able to see it on a mobile screen. So here you can see we have all the same accounts. And what I'm going to do on here is I'm going to send money to another user because let's say we went out for coffee and I wanted to pay for coffee for them, but I didn't have my card. So I can transfer the money to them and I can just click send here and there you go. The transaction's successful. $10 was sent to that user. You can click on details here and see that. And again, you have the same detail run through if you want to put it into a category or not. And that is Aide. Let me know what you think.